guys, so we have yet another unboxing video today, and so this video comes from here. I'll post it here because I don't like to mess up you guys' names. And this was another $300 bomb. It's here. This is a big one. This is almost 18 pounds here. So without further ado, well, actually, before I get into this, I just want to let you guys know that if you're new here, I'm a reseller, and I'm a reseller, but I also collect vintage, so I kind of dabble in both. And what I do is, right now during this pandemic, I buy wholesale or mystery boxes, and I resell them on either eBay or Depop or Instagram. Honestly, if you guys are interested in any of these items, let me know. Everything's down below. But let's just begin with this box. Alright, so this guy is stacked to the brim, and I'm just gonna try to start pulling stuff out so you can see, but we're gonna go off the first thing. It's a terrible towel. This is actually dope. I don't own this one. I own like 3 or 4 of them, but I don't own the one that has the Heinz Field logo on it, which is dope. So that's gonna go into the YouTube studio, soon to be YouTube studio. Guys will see that soon. I'm actually not renting, but one of my friends has an open space, and he said I can just shoot videos in there. So you guys might see a new studio soon to be Harley tag. And we have Lynchburg Harley. It's a 2009 with a little chest pocket here. This is probably a $20 tee in my store. All day. The 3D emblem tee here. And nothing on the back. And we have a Indian. I actually don't know what something like this is worth. I'd imagine this is gotta be up in the $30 to $40 range, but gotta do a little more research on it, of course. And we have a Stuart Haas Racing. It is, wow, this is kind of like a crazy one. So this looks like it's a newer tee, of course, but it's kind of a nutty, all over print. Kevin Harvick. It's no date, but this feels like it could fit in with the 90s NASCAR tees, but it has it's made in Mexico. It has no tag, so I'd imagine the jeans here. Oh wow, this is kind of cool. It's a Tommy Jeans football jersey. This is a XL. Well, it's a huge XL. This is actually kind of super sick. It has the hits on the sleeve as well. And this is probably a $35+ item here. Rock Cafe. It is Atlantic City All Is One. So we have Atlantic City All Is One. Ooh, Tommy Jeans. Oh, this is interesting. It's it looks kind of like a windbreaker. A windbreaker polo. This is sick. I do well with stuff like this. Just kind of vintage and very nice. Has the big emblem right on the front. This is probably a $25 to $30 piece here. Looks like it's late 2000s. Nothing on the back. And just simple Nike check. It's probably $20 all day in my store on a white Nike tag. I think this is 90s. It's a nice little velvet tank top. A little check on the chest there. I don't know what this is. This is probably another 15 to 20 here. Screen Stars vest. And we have, looks like a Mickey Mouse tee. California. No date, but I mean, it's on the Screen Star tag, so it's gotta be 90s. This is probably another 25 to 30 in my store. This is nice. I might keep this one for myself. Plan on going to California Disney soon, so. Here, this is a NASCAR tee, and it is double stitched. You really can't go wrong with the NASCAR tees. Alright, this is on a Fruit of the Loom heavy. And we have a Summit Classic City, the Halloween tradition. The GTS is this tag. It looks like it's a Rolling Stones. Nice. It is. Rolling Stones. Withstand divorce, slander, alcohol, sex, and abuse. No date. I don't know what kind of tag this is. I've actually never seen this one before. It says made in Thailand. The GTS. No tag. But it is a NASCAR shirt with deal. It's probably like a $15 tee. There's not really too much craziness about this one. But NASCAR tees, I can lump all those together. Definitely get some good stuff from there. Alright, this is cool. Got the Lion King tag here. And it's just the Lion King Broadway musical. Just in my recent video before this one, I got Beauty and the Beast musical. Maybe I can lock these two together. I'd imagine this is like a $25 piece. Can't really go wrong with the store fillers. Ooh. Alright. We got to the bottom. We got a Fruit of the Loom heavy. And we have the Pittsburgh Steelers jersey. And this is Mr. Lambert himself. I don't know what this would be worth. It looks like it's like super old. I have one of his jerseys in a Mitchell and Ness version. Don't know, I've never seen this before. I gotta look it up. I'd imagine this is probably up there because it looks pretty old. This is Honest Green Star's Best. It is just a Wisconsin forward tee. It just looks kind of like a state tee, one of those tees you'd get at like a gas station. Value it at like 15. In my store, DC Comics. Looks kind of old. It is Batman Forever tee. It's kind of got the chest hit here and the one on the back. This is probably also another like $25 piece here. Pretty awesome. A liquid blue tag. Open that up. We have a pirate with a little birdie bird on him. And no date. Not single stitch. I don't know. This is probably like another 20 bucks right here. The Gavinci Activewear, like polo. This is probably a go with like 30 or something bucks. It's a nice little Quicksilver, just t-shirt here. This is probably a this is a vintage Quicksilver actually. It's single stitch, so this is from like the 90s. I don't know. I've never really dealt with vintage Quicksilver, so this actually might be worth like 25 plus. Dope piece. It's a Tommy Hilfiger. It's a newer piece, but it's like sailboats everywhere. This is dope. This is cool. I like this. It is a size large. This is honestly probably like a $30 piece here. Ooh, tag, like a newer tag. This Death Row Records, little embroidered embossed item here. This is probably like 15 bucks to be honest. Newer stuff is just so much harder for me to sell. Alright, we have a Zion Rootswear. I think this is like 2014 or something. Johnny Cash tee here. Value on this is probably 15 to 20. As Gildan Heavy here. We have a Daytona Speedway 1999. Another little racing tee. Might just have to make a little racing bundle for someone when I sell them. It's probably another 15 to 20 on. It is on a Fruit of the Loom heavy cotton. And this is, looks like it's a 1999. Has like a bunch of Chevy cars on it. It has a nice dope graphic. I'd say that's another like 15 to 20. No, I'll probably just lot all the car stuff up together just because that makes more sense. We have a Prairie Mountain tee here. And it's a Yosemite tee. Single stitch, just a wolf. Pretty dope graphic. Oh, I don't know what this is, but this kind of looks dope. Racing Champions Apparel. And it is some type of like NASCAR driver. If you don't know too much about who this one is, it looks like a NASCAR like jersey. Looks like it says Simpson on it. to do a little more research, but just looking at this, it's vintage and it looks like it would sell for probably over 40. A 90s Disney tag. It just looks like it's a Mickey shirt. Yeah, your classic run-of-the-mill Mickey shirt. This is like a I say this is like a $30 to $40 tee here, which is dope. I love this. I've had this like 4 times over. And we're gonna show this here. It's a liquid blue. It looks like it's the Mad Hatter one, which it is. And I think this is like a, honestly, this is super dope. I love this graphic. It's 2014 though, it's super new, but I like this one. I hope this fits me. That's a super dope piece. And we have the last piece here is on a starter pro line. And it's got the nice black and yellow. It's just the Steelers. Oh, look at that. It's signed. Oh, I don't know. It looks like it says Walshy from Halo, but this is super dope. Steelers little button up signed by someone. I always have trouble reading like cursive, and like these people always have awful like cursive handwriting. So like someone tells me who that is, that'd be cool. I like don't know because they stopped teaching cursive when I was in high school, or elementary school. So I don't know. Can't read that. So yeah, what do you guys think of this box? It was $300, I think I paid for this, which there's a few tees in there that are definitely gonna make my money back, and there's some that I'm gonna sit on, but overall I think it was a great box. You guys should see the total number here, and if you like these videos,